Okay, without much delay, let's go to this direct point, that is in this video lecture 4 we are going to circular interpolation function. Circular interpolation function are the preparatory function which is denoted by the G02 and G03. You have to memorize it, guys. If you want to write this program, if you want to become a CNC programmer, then you have to know about this. Okay, circular interpolation, that is represented by the G02, G03. Okay guys, I am too fast now. I will make you guys understand in a very fluent way. Okay, let's go to the, if the cutting tool is required to move along, okay, along an arc, circular interpolation function G02, G03 are used. Okay, G03 for what? Tell me, guys. You are doing the homework, then you have to tell me, guys. If you see my video lecture 1, then you have to tell me, guys. Tell yourself. G02 is circular interpolation, 2 is always come again before, then 3, so clockwise. G02 what do you mean by that? Circular interpolation in clockwise direction. G03 circular interpolation in anti-clockwise direction. Clockwise direction, clock, how clock move? Like this. Okay, this is clockwise direction. Okay, this is clockwise direction, this is clockwise direction. Okay, and anti-clockwise direction, this is anti-clockwise direction, okay, are used to execute the instruction. The following information is required for writing an instrument block for circular interpolation. Okay, you have to write this one for if you want to write these things. Okay, you can write, or these are the things you have to memorize before assigning this G02 and G03 code. Okay guys, G code depending on the direction of interpolation. G02, G0 code are depending upon the two direction. What is G02? Clockwise direction. G03 counterclockwise direction, that is circular interpolation. Coordinate of the target point, that is X, Y and Z. Coordinates of the end point of the arc. Coordinate of the target point, that is X, Y and Z coordinates of the exponent of the arc. If the interpolation is in XY plane, then only X and Y coordinate are needed. Okay guys, coordinate of the center point of arc. Okay guys, let me, okay, now you are seeing. Okay, coordinate of an center point of arc. The coordinate of center point arc are written in incremental mode with respect to the starting point of the arc. Okay, the coordinate of the center point of arc are written in an incremental mode with respect to starting point of the arc. I already told you guys. Okay, fourth point, if the feed rate of the cutting tool has been defined in a previous block, then it may not be given in the current block, because the same feed rate will be active in a circular interpolation also. I already in a previous lecture I already told you that if I have given assign that linear interpolation in a preceded block, then I do not need to write this G01 in next block if I am doing the same work. Okay, if I need to do other than like for example, okay, I'll tell you guys. Okay, let me show you. First of all, I am going to linear interpolation here, and I do not, if I am going to the linear interpolation here as well, then no need to write this G01. Okay, if I have to use the circular interpolation, then only I have to use this G02, because I am changing the interpolation way of interpolation. I am now using the circular interpolation in clockwise direction. Then only I have to change. Like here Z is equals to 5, and I need to Z is equals to here as well 5 mm, then I do not need to write again Z05. If I have to change, then only I will write. If the preceded block I already assigned that particular function, then I do not need function or the code, then I do not need to write the same code here as well. Okay, this is the meaning of that. Okay, now this is the code. This is the code for this is what it is moving like. What guys, about that, it is moving like this.